Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn middle term factorization. Now suppose you have an equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now first you see a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant. So you first multiply a into c, you get a product of a and c, then you break the product AC into two factors P and Q such that P should be always greater than Q. Now then you see this sign. If this sign is plus before the constant, then what do? The sum of the two factors should be equal to the middle term, that is B. And since we have taken the product, we have taken the factors from the product itself, so the product of P into Q will always be equal to AC. Now after completing this, your factorization is completed. You write ax square plus, in place of B you write P plus Q x plus C. This is your factorized. Now let us take an example. 3x square plus 10x plus 8. Now we have got an equation like this. So how to factorize? As I told you, first you identify this is your A, this is your B, and this is obviously your C. Now after getting it, what do? Let us come up. First to get a product A into C, which is 3 into 8. Right? That is 24. Now you have to break this 24. You have to break this 24 into two factors such that two factors P and Q such that you see this sign is plus. You have to break this 24 into two factors such that P should always be greater than Q and P plus Q is equal to B, which is 10. Now what should be the two factors? It's very easily identifiable, 6 and 4. So that P into Q will be equal to AC, that is equal to, you see 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Right. Now after this you have easily got your factorization. Your factorization will be 3x square plus 6 plus 4 x plus 8. Now 3x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 8. So it will be 3x x plus 2 plus 4 x plus 2. Now you have 3x plus 2 plus 4, plus 4 and x plus 2. These are the two factors. Now let us learn the other part of the middle term factorization. Now the other day in my other video we have learned that the sign is plus. Now this is, the sign is minus. Now how to solve this? This sign does not matter much at all. Now let us see again the same thing. We have to identify A, B and C, we know that. So we take the product AC. Now this time again we will break it into two factors P and Q such that P is greater than Q. Now, but see these things. This is minus. So when this is minus, we have to take the two factors in such a way that the difference of the two factors is the middle term, that is B. Right? The difference of the two factors should be middle term B, and of course the product is AC always, because we have taken from the product itself. We have taken the two factors from the product itself. Now after getting this, you have got ax square plus, in place of B we write P minus Q x minus C. Let us take one example. right? This was the same example that we did, but here this time the sign is minus. So now let us see. We can see that this is A, this is B, and this is C. Of course. Now let us see A into C. What is A into C? 3 into 8, that is 24. Now we have to break 24 into two factors such that two factors P and Q, P should be greater than Q, but the condition is that this time the sign is minus. So what is my condition? That I have to get two factors P and Q in such a way that the difference of P and Q, P minus Q, should be equal to 10. So it will be, P will be 12 and Q will be 2. These are my factors. Now you can see that easily. 12 minus 2 is obviously equal to my 10, which is B. And 12 into 2 is equal to 24, which is AC. This is very clear. Now let us see how to factorize, as I already told you. See my factorization. 3x square plus P minus Q. P minus Q is my 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2, x minus 8. So we have 3x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 8. So 3x, x plus 4 minus 2, x plus 4. So we have x plus 4 and 3x minus 2 as the factors. Please follow my YouTube channel also. You will get to know the latest kind of things, the latest formulas, and how to solve the tricks and techniques, how to solve the different kind of sums. I'll be again coming up with a lot of interesting facts in my Instagram. Thank you.